Welcome to Grumpy John's garage. Found them. Found my stencils. So I thought I'd show you what I got. I can't remember if I showed you. So the main one is the star for the hood. Then on the side of the hood, you get hood numbers. As you can see there, it's 20508836. And if you remember me showing you what's left of the hood, I cut up and I showed you the numbers. The only one I couldn't figure out was a 6. I found all the other numbers from the blue drab, so I decided it was a 6. That's what's going on the bonnet, the hood. So star in the middle and bonnet numbers. So just like it would if it went to a normal unit. Part of the kit I got was this, but I don't know if I'm putting that on. I've got it if I want to. I don't really like that. I don't really like that written on the side. I think it's too fussy. So part of the kit I bought is the stencil for the canvas roof. So I bought them. And then I've got the hood, pressed stone 45. As far as I can remember, mine's a 44, so if the pressed stone is antifreeze, so you put antifreeze in, and then this number here tells you the year you've got to change it again. So mine's a 44, so they were meant to change the antifreeze in 45. It's just a reminder, that's all it was. Wasn't anything fancy, just pressed stone. And I've also found out that a British company called Euro Car Parts, they sell pressed stone antifreeze. So guess what's going on my Jeep? Genuine pressed stone antifreeze. And you get a wee test one. Then the star, I think that star's for the, hang on, yeah, that star's for the front bumper in the centre. Then you've got the quarter, the side stencils for the star. I've got 3, but I don't know. I don't know if one goes on the canvas. Right, next thing. USMC. That one is a small one. That is going on the front bumper. So one side, which will be on the right hand side of the bumper in the front, will go US Marine Corps, USMC. And then on the other side, it's got my number. Now, they're going to be in yellow, these ones, because I've no unit number. So although I've got the original hood number, which was in blue drab, it wasn't in white, so I don't have a unit number. So, and I know my Jeep was a US Marine Corps Jeep. So if I put that on the bumper and that on the bumper, it's just like a unit number. That's the way I'm doing it. And I'll put them in yellow. Then we have the bigger number. That is for the rear bumper. He's given me 2, must have been a set. And then that one, that's for the rear bumperette. Hold on, my nicely fresh painted bumperette. There you go, that fits on there just perfect. And what that'll be, that one will be yellow as well. I haven't worked out what kind of yellow, because you can't get yellow primer. Yellow primer's more of a mustard colour, so the US Marine Corps colours were a brighter yellow. So I'll probably have to put like a gloss colour on it and then flatten it down with a bit of Scotch-Brite to kill the shine. And so that's all my stencils for my Jeep. There's no other ones. In fact, that third star's for the rear of the Jeep. You've got two big ones for the side and one for the rear. That's what it's for. That's who I got it off. Military Stencils by Axholme Signs. Fantastic. Good solid tube. That's what it came as. Brilliant. And with that, since it's getting closer to be putting these on my hood, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.